Now we're gonna move on to the big one. The one that I ordered, big kahuna. Okay, it's huge. Oh. Let's get comfy. I love it. Oh, that's what it looks like inside. The world's best 3-wick candle guaranteed. I certainly do agree. It is the best candle. I've tried a lot of candles in my lifetime, and none of them slap the way this do. They don't slap the way that these do. Oh wow, okay. This is actually the new one. Should we start off with this one, or should we end with one of the newer ones? I think we should end with it. But I can smell it already, so. Gather. Gather is one of my favorites. So I actually had Gather already, but it came in a different looking container. I think the container might have been black or a bronze color, but this time it is white with this brownish, this reddish brown shade. So it's White Barn, and then it has the White Barn logo on the top. That is what it looks like. 3 wicks. Amazing as always. Okay, so the notes are bourbon glazed apples, maple sugar, creamy vanilla with essential oils. So I think that this is definitely fall appropriate, Thanksgiving appropriate, heading into the Christmas season. This will be great. Now, I do not discriminate. I will light up whatever candle any time of year. But if you're a person who definitely wants to stick to the theme, who wants to stick to seasonal scents, then this is for you for right now. Put that away. And I like that with the boxes, you can see the label from underneath. So there is strawberry pancake, which is one of my spring favorites that I just learned about this year. And then there's the top again. So the notes are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, whipped cream, and essential oils. Oh wow, this time the inside wax is pink to match the outside. The last time that I got it, it was white with floral patterns on it, and then the wax was white as well. And what I like about these candles is that the jars are so beautiful that I always recycle the jars. You can use them to store cotton balls, Q-tips, maybe some potpourri. I actually use them to store my makeup brushes, so I would not advise you to toss this out. And it's also made of like glass, so these are very nice to keep. What you do, and if you want to recycle it, if you want to remove the label, is put them in the dishwasher or soak them in a little bit of warm water and dishwashing liquid, and then rub it off. It comes off quite easily, and then you just use it again. So think about it. A hot pink container to match or to go with whatever room. Now that I have this new hot pink container, I think that I might use these for a few of my makeup sponges whenever this is done. So you definitely want to recycle and try to work on saving the environment. not adding to pollution, you know what I mean? Now, what I do want to know is that, are we able to take the, let's say I have extra candle holders, extra of these. Can I take them into Bath and Body Works myself to recycle them? That's what I want to know. So I'll get back to you on that. Or if you already know that information, please comment down below. So which one is this? This one is Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. Once again, going with the fall themes, heading into Christmas. Pumpkin is one of my favorite scents to come home to. And you can't go wrong with vanilla. And marshmallow definitely gives this some oomph. It adds a little something to the scent. So don't go, I wouldn't advise you to go with just the plain pumpkin or the plain vanilla. Do look out for anything that has marshmallow in it. Marshmallow. Sorry for saying that wrong. This is cute. So it has a fox tossing marshmallows and a pumpkin, and it has a few marshmallows and pumpkins on the cover as well. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. It's like creamy as well. You can smell it. And another thing that I love about these candles are the tops. So as you can see, this tops has like it's not carved, it's 3D sort of effects pumpkin on the top, and that just adds to the decor. It doesn't take away from it, so it's not like this weird candle slapped down in the middle of your front room or your kitchen, and it's not pleasing to the eye, is what I'm trying to say. So this one is from the aromatherapy line, Lavender and Cedarwood. Once again, one of my favorite scents. So I learned about this scent earlier, I think maybe in the summer, when I got one of their bath soaks. And now I can't get enough of it. So here it is. Part of the aromatherapy line, and it kind of goes with my nails, doesn't it? Okay. So those are the scents, simple as that. Lavender oil and cedarwood oil. Once again, very calming. So when you think about how you would use this, I would definitely put this more or less in the bathroom. You could put it anywhere, but I think this would be great as a scent for your bedroom and your bathroom. And I'm definitely going to use the 3 that I got together. So I'm going to light this baby up, have a bubble bath, and then I'm going to use the eucalyptus oil, and then use the matching lavender and cedarwood lotion, and that should make me feel amazing. But I can smell all the scents emanating from the jars, even though they're closed. That's the best part of it, especially on a hot day. You can come home and you don't need to light it, you don't need to open the jar. It just spreads, you know, it just finds its way through the entire home. It's amazing. It's definitely worth the money. This next one is called Welcome Home. It's a restock of a candle that I had already, and I think the jar was black the last time that I got it. Let's figure out how to open it. Oh, that's tight. Okay, so this time it is actually black and white, which is very cool. I love black. Amazing. I just want to like be surrounded by the candles. I want them all lined off all around the house and all lit together. So the notes in this are cinnamon sugar, warm apple butter, clove buds, brown sugar, and essential oils. So there's what it looks like up close. Once again, 3 wicks. I think a few of these you can get in the single wick as well if you just want to try them out before purchasing the 3 wick. That's also an idea. And then you can also get the wallflower plugins. I don't have any today, but maybe during their candle day. Candle day is coming up, I think, December 4th or 5th. And then they're also supposed to be having another sale, perhaps later on this week or next week. And then I will get a few wallflowers. So the next one is white eucalyptus and sage. Once again, one of my favorite types of vibes. It works every time. I love it. So, oh, wow. Okay, this one is a little textured. You can feel the snowflakes on it. And it's like white with a off-white, gray, and like a taupe tone snowflakes and different things on it. And then the top is beautiful as well. 3-wick, and it's white. So the notes are, of course, white eucalyptus, mineral sage, frozen pine, and essential oils. Can't go wrong with that. Next we have winter, and this is one of the Christmas candles that I decided to buy just because I want to wait until they have the sale to purchase Christmas scents. Since I'm more of a spring fall scent person, I'm not certain if I want my entire place to smell like peppermint swirl all the time. I don't know. Maybe gingerbread though. I'll keep that in mind. So let's open her up. Oh, she's cute. She's very cute. Okay, so she has taupe Christmas trees with reindeer. So you've got the mama reindeer and the baby reindeer, and there's some snow falling down. And then it says white barn on the top. 3-wick. I think that this candle is definitely a little bit on the masculine side of scents, just because I think it has pine in it. Oh, yes. So the notes are white woods, pine needles, sparkling clementine, spice clove, and essential oils. I don't know what white woods are. Bahamian, please tell me, comment down below what that is. But whatever it is, it smells good, but it's definitely warm. It's definitely a little bit on the masculine side. This makes me feel like I'm in a log cabin somewhere, and then I want to bundle up on the couch and then wrap up and enjoy the fireplace and chill out and listen to Christmas music. So this is it. I'm going to save this for that season. I'm going to put this aside and we're going to focus on the fall scents that I'll be burning, but I'll save that just in case I miss out on the sale this December. And then finally we have Into the Night. This is what I've been waiting for because this is new. Now isn't she lovely? I think so. So I like anything that sparkles. This reminds me of New Year's Eve. That's the vibes that it's giving me, as well as kind of like the pattern that icicles fall in. So the notes are sugared raspberry, velvet rose petals, shimmering amber, creamy musk, and essential oils. It's a lot lighter than I would expect, the scent, but I do definitely feel all of the notes, well, smell all of the notes that they said are in here, but it's, I wouldn't say it's faint, I can smell it, but it's not overpowering is the word that I'm looking for. But with these tend to surprise you, and it seems as though it won't do anything, and then when you light it, it's like, oh my god, there's so much scent in the room. So I think this is definitely on the more sultry, sexier side of things. This is something that I would definitely say for a romantic evening. if you have your guy or you have your girl or whoever they come over for the night and you want to make dinner, or maybe even after dinner you're trying to get things going until by the fireplace and just talk. This is something that I would like. Or even if you're by yourself, you're having a spa night, you're doing a face mask, you're having a bubble bath, this would definitely go with that vibe. This is not something that I would put in the kitchen, let's put it like that. So the bathroom, bedroom, living room, keep it sexy. This is the scent for you. And I will definitely be adding this to my list of favorites. I have to say that I am pleased with everything that I got, especially this new scent. I think that I will look out for this and perhaps stock up on a few more of these, just in case everyone else feels the way that I feel and they try to load up on this particular scent. So that is it for everything. Thank you so much for watching. So please like my video if you enjoyed it, and then please subscribe. Thank you.